is it worth it to get certified? I mean, like we know, 55,000 is more of a management best practices. There are some benefits to getting certified, having the auditor come. Is it worth it?
You don't have to get certification, okay?
Yeah.
But what happens in my case, my experience, you know, auditor will come every 6 months. I'm talking about 2004, 5 time frame when we got certified in our process. That time there was not 55,000. We took 9,001 and modified it with our auditor company DNV, and we did that. Okay. Now, what was happening is, oh, he's going to come in October or September, let's say. This is June already, July.
Yeah.
I have to get ready, look into what
Yeah.
improvements we have made. You have to start thinking what improvements and what improvement you're going to do next time. So every time he's coming, we have to say, hey, what improvements? How we have reduced a failure? How we have to improve the PM optimization? What was our plan? He's going to ask those questions, okay? So I think it helps you to really create a discipline in your process, in our mindset. And it was tough for us for first 2-3 years, but once our people got it, boy, it was no sweat. Initially, it looks like it's a bothersome, but I think the whole process, it creates a discipline in your mindset, in your process.